Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tea Kadai Bajji, a beloved South Indian snack perfect for any time. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of besan flour, half a cup of rice flour, and a selection of spices like chili powder, asafoetida, and carom seeds. These simple components are the foundation for our crispy, flavorful bajji. Now let's create the perfect batter. In a large bowl, combine 1.5 cups of besan flour with half a cup of rice flour. Next, add half a teaspoon of chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, and salt to taste. Slowly add about 300 milliliters of water, mixing until you achieve a smooth, thick consistency, similar to idli batter. This ensures your bajji will be wonderfully crispy. With your batter ready, it's time to fry. Heat groundnut oil in a deep pan over a medium flame. Ensure the oil is hot enough but not smoking. Dip your thinly sliced vegetables, such as raw banana or potato, fully into the prepared batter. Gently drop the coated slices into the hot oil, frying them in small batches for about 2 to 3 minutes until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are perfectly crispy. Once fried to golden perfection, your tea Kadai Bajji is ready to be enjoyed. Serve these warm, crispy delights immediately to savor their fresh taste. They pair wonderfully with a tangy coconut chutney or a comforting hot cup of tea. This homemade snack is perfect for a rainy day or an evening treat, bringing the authentic tea stall experience right to your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.